This is demo 20, how to use the sweep tool. So I'm going to first set up the easiest kind of sweep. I'm going to start a new sketch on this back surface, and I'm going to sweep a circle, and I'm going to use the center of the back surface to create the circle. And I'm going to sweep something a little large just so you can see, maybe 2 inches, so that you can see what the sweep looks like. And so to create a sweep, you also have to have, you have to have a shape to sweep along a path. And so here's my shape, a circle. And so now I need to create a path. And to do that, I need to have a plane that goes through the center of my shape. So I need it to go through the center of that circle. And I already have work planes that should be, if I look at it from the front, going right through the center of that circle. So I could turn either on the YZ or the XZ. So I'm going to do that now. Create a new sketch on that plane. And so now I'm going to create a path to sweep along. And I'm going to grab the center of that circle. So now I'm sketching on that middle plane, and I'm just going to bring a couple arcs out. This can be any shape that you want. And I'm going to finish the sketch. And so now if I click home, you'll be able to watch as it sweeps. So I'm going to sweep. It guessed that I wanted that profile, and then it already moved to the path button automatically. So now if I select the path, it sweeps along the path. And so it'll do that along any path. And I can also add some tapers, but I'll do that to the other side. So I'm just going to leave it the way it is and click OK.